Alright, this is how the implant system works for the mini implants that are fully guided above the bone. So here you can see we've got a guide with a surgical tube in it. And the surgical tube has additional tubes that go in it. The first stage that you would do is to find the smaller of the two pilot drill guides and place that in there. Then you're going to drill the pilot hole. Once you're done with that, if you need a larger hole for a larger implant, you would use the larger pilot guide. After you've got the hole drilled, there's a 15, a 13, and a 10 millimeter bushing. You pick the correct bushing for the size of the implant. So if it's a 15 millimeter bushing, it's a 15 millimeter implant. These are going to go inside, just like that. And then the interlock drill with the implant in it is going to slowly slide down the inside of that channel very tightly, keeping it on track all the way to the bottom. So you're going to bury the handpiece all the way to the top, and when you've done that, you know that the implant is within a millimeter of the tissue below. If you pull that off and you find that you want to go deeper, just take the next size bushing down, and you know that you're going to drive that implant in 3 more millimeters. That should take it just under the tissue if you need it to. Thank you.